Tired of waiting for a physical card to arrive? I hear you. If you need to make an online purchase right now, waiting a week or two for plastic just doesn't work. The good news is you can get a digital Wise card in under 2 minutes with this simple walkthrough. No waiting, no delivery fee, just a card number ready to use instantly. All right, so here's the plan. I'm going to show you exactly where to click in Wise, from your main dashboard to ordering a digital card, choosing your color, and getting it created on the spot. Let's jump in. Start from your Wise homepage. Look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see a section that says Cards. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is your Cards overview page. If you've never ordered a card before, you'll see a big button that says Order a Wise card. Give that a click. Now, here's where you choose what kind of card you want. Wise will show you the physical card option first, but we're going digital. Look for the option that says Digital Only. It's usually right next to the physical card. Click on that one. This saves you the shipping cost and the wait time, which is exactly what we want. Here's the fun part, personalizing it. You'll see a few color options to choose from. Pick whichever one you like. It doesn't change anything about how it works, but hey, you might as well have a card that looks good in your wallet. Once you've picked your color, go ahead and click Choose Color. Now we're at the final step. You'll see a button that says Create Your Digital Card. Click that. Give it just a moment to process. And there it is. Your digital card is ready. You'll see the full card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code right on screen. This is all you need for online purchases. If you want, you can add it to your phone's digital wallet right from here. It's completely optional, but it makes checking out even faster later on. Just look for the Add to Wallet button and follow the prompts on your phone. And that's it. You're ready to start using it immediately for any online purchase. No more waiting for the mailman. I hope this walkthrough helped you get set up quickly. Thanks for watching.